A very good morning, brothers and sisters. This sacred season of Lent invites each one of us to pause and look deep within our hearts. There are times we have wandered, times we have failed, times we have turned away from God's gentle voice. Yet, even in our weakness, we hear Him calling softly, "Come back, my love." He's not a distant God. He is a loving Father waiting with open arms. His mercy is greater than our sins, and His heart longs for our return. And today, as we sing this hymn, let us come back to Him with humble and contrite hearts.
There are times when I have wandered. There are days so steeped in sin. There are times when I have flaunted for the darkness deep within. Now's the time for my returning. Far from you I've strayed away. For your love my heart is longing, and the time must be today. Come back, my love, you called me. Come back to me and stay. My heart is full of mercy for the sinner who goes astray. All the past is now forgotten, and with you a new day dawns. Though your heart my sin has broken, yet your love goes on and on. And I try to hide my feelings, though I know where I belong. Of the love my heart keeps singing in a never-ending song. Come back, my love, you called me. Come back to me and stay. My heart is full of mercy for the sinner who goes astray. For the sins I had committed, all my tears have washed away. In your love I have confided. In your arms you let me stay. But the world keeps always judging. For my heart it does not see. Only you with eyes so searching see the change of heart in me. Come back.